Okay, so today we're going to be replacing the gear shift, or the gear light that sort of illuminates. You can see I've got my lights on at the moment. You've got everything that's illuminated except this one, which we'll do in a separate video, and this one has now gone out. So we're going to be fixing that, or essentially changing that. So to change that, it's pretty simple. It's essentially only two screws, and then you're able to switch this off. Just before you start, if you're not using an OEM bulb, you can get one of these. You essentially need a T5 bulb. I've got a 1.2 watt one here. I think the OEM is 1.4, so this will just be a bit dimmer, but you need a T5 bulb. To change this, you basically just need to remove this center console over here. So that is basically held on by two screws. So you've got one down there, and then obviously one on the other side. This one you can get out with a simple flat screwdriver. And there we go. So one on the other side as well. And then you come down here, and this is a star. And then you basically get that one out, and then I will show you how we remove this piece. Okay, so once you've got these two screws out here and the one over there, you're just going to be removing this. This here clips out as well, and then this middle one as well. You can get that out, and then once you have all of that out, you can just grab it and lift the whole console. Can't do it with one hand, but the whole console should be loose now for you to essentially lift this whole thing forward. Okay, so once you've lifted it up, if you're in a right-hand drive car, you'll come to the right. Left-hand drive car, you come to the left. And then if you look down here, you'll just see a black wire. This is your light. So what you want to do is just grab, twist anti-clockwise, it will come out. You can replace the bulb and then put it back in. Before you put everything back, just test that it is working, and then you can click it back in, and then essentially just undo or repeat what you've taken off. Okay, so now before you buckle and put everything back in, just give it a test to see if it is working. So we're going to switch the lights on, and there we go, we've got it illuminated again. So again, just to put everything back together is the exact same process. You're going to put your one screw in there, your two pieces in there, and then just fit all your trim pieces back together.